Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone's having a good holiday. Just want to give you a little update here. We are complete with the build. Just got a couple minor steps to do, but that'll be all done during setup. I just want to thank West Hobbies RC. I watch a ton of your videos, man. I can't tell you how much your videos have helped me throughout this build. Just little, whatnots and so on here and there, but for the most part, she's all done. I have all the servo wires heat shrinked. I've depinned them and heat shrunk them. I had to extend the BEC power to the flybarless controller. I will have a link in the description on this kit. I ordered off Amazon. They're all your J connectors, pins, and servo wiring. You can make your own leads, bind plugs. Like I made my own. Where is it? Where's this little guy? I made my own bind plug. I'm not gonna spend $7.99 on this. Is just ridiculous. $12 on a servo extension. Come on, guys. $20. Amazon. Start making your own stuff here. There will be a link for that. Moving on. Yeah, like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality of this kit. Absolutely amazing. Align, you have done a great job. Even the servos are absolutely all aluminum. They have machine heat sinks in them, as you can see. Just very, very, very high quality stuff. And stay tuned. We'll be beginning the setup of this Micro Beast shortly.